Morning, guys. It is April 3rd, 2026. William here, and Kizzy came last night, and we went to the PetSmart in Bears Lake, and they had bird toys, and I bought one, and I'll show it to you in a sec. I got it in the cage. It's a real nice toy. It's called a shredding toy. It's made of cardboard, mainly, and the birds will naturally shred it. So, yeah, it's a real good toy. So, we got 3 days with no visitations. 3 days. I got Megan on Monday. Megan's coming on Monday, Easter Monday. She works holidays, so that'll be good to see her. So I'll take you into the bedroom and we'll take a look at the bird toy. The birds are out. They're up on the fan. There's the birds. How you doing, guys? They're flying around happily. And here's the bird toy. It's hangs there, and it's good looking. I like it. Cost me $25, and they naturally shred it. It's made of cardboard, so hopefully that'll keep them stimulated. I cleaned the pan, I cleaned the bottom of the cage. Got that all nice and clean. So, thanks to all my viewers. Oh, one sec. There we go. Thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. And thanks for viewing the vlog. And I'll see you in the next vlog.